So can you tell me your name and a bit about the work that you do?
My name is Mandy Powell and I'm a volunteer worker at City Temple. I work with the homeless. At the moment we've just finished in a night shelter where we would be involved with other churches and we would do one night a week and sleep at the church and just feed the guys and generally spend time with the guys. But now we do an outreach now where up to 50 to 70 guys would come and they would share their problems and we were able to pray with them and spend time with them and just make them feel human,
Okay.
not rejected like society sometimes does.
Okay. And what does it mean to you to win a Wales Volunteer of the Year award?
It's fantastic. I'm just very grateful. Part of allotments management and they came in for the award. Steve kindly gave us allotments so we could grow the vegetables for the homeless guys, so I'm really honoured. It's fantastic, thank you.
Okay.